Hello guys, and welcome to the Complete React course. So in this course we're going to be learning React in under 1 hour. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. So what is React? Why are we using React? And why is React one of the major core competencies of famous social networks such as Facebook, PHP, etc. So let's take this. We have the controller element, the model elements, and view elements. So React is based on these three main elements for any type of its programs. So the controller elements gets its data from the model and henceforth the view. So we have different views. Views are different. Think of views as layouts which are used on your cell phone screen, for example, for easier understanding. Think of each view as a page inside your cell phone. Like this view can be the one which has the cell phone login screen or your iPhone home screen. And this can be the list of apps which it has. And if you swipe left or right, you get another view. So views are basically pages. Think of views as pages. So these views are connected together by models. Models are where they're integrated together to form a compressive model series action plan. And hence we have different types of models. But if you take the course of controllers, the controller for each app is only one, and it consists of this only controller to control all three of these concepts. So this is how React actually gathers these types of models. So if you understood this concept well, I'm very glad to say you'll understand React easily and we can get this done in under 1 hour. So I'll see you in the next video where we discuss more about this concept. See you soon.